Standard 7th, Subject History, Chapter number 2, India before the times of Shivaji Maharaj. In the earlier part, we have studied about the Emperor Aurangzeb and his conflict with the Ahoms. In this video, we are going to learn about the Aurangzeb's conflict with the Sikhs, Rajput and Maratha. Now, his conflict with the Sikhs. The ninth Guru of the Sikhs, Guru Tegh Bahadur, protested strongly against Aurangzeb's policy of religious intolerance. Aurangzeb imprisoned him and beheaded him in 1675 CE. After him, Guru Gobind Singh became the Guru of the Sikhs. Guru Gobind Singh organized his followers and encouraged their martial spirit. He organized the Sikh youths into a fighting force called the Khalsa Dal. Their headquarters were at Anandpur. Aurangzeb sent his army to fight the Sikhs. His army attacked Anandpur. Although the Sikhs fought fiercely, they did not succeed. After that, Guru Gobind Singh came to the Deccan in 1708 CE. There was an attempt on his life when he was at Nanded. Soon after, the Guru succumbed his wounds. Now what we studied here, we studied that the ninth Guru of Sikhs, Guru Tegh Bahadur, fought against the Aurangzeb's religious policy of intolerance. Aurangzeb captured him and killed him in 1675 CE. After his death, Guru Gobind Singh became the sixth Guru. He organized the Sikh youth and founded the Khalsa Dal at Anandpur. There was a battle between Aurangzeb and Khalsa Dal. The Sikhs fought bravely in that battle, but eventually they were defeated by the powerful Mughal army of Aurangzeb. After that, Guru Gobind Singh came to Nanded and died there. Now the next point is conflict with the Rajputs. Akbar had secured the cooperation of the Rajputs with his policy of amicable relations. Aurangzeb could not obtain the cooperation of Rajputs. After the death of Rana Jaswant Singh of Marwar, Aurangzeb annexed his kingdom to the Mughal Empire. Durgadas Rathod crowned Jaswant Singh's minor son Ajit Singh as the king of Marwar. Durgadas Rathod fought hard against the Mughals. Aurangzeb sent Prince Akbar to Marwar to crush the resistance of Durgadas. Prince Akbar joined hands with Rajputs and rose in revolt against Aurangzeb. An effort was made to seek help from the Marathas in Maharashtra In this revolt, Durgadas continued the struggle against the Mughals for the existence of Marwar. Now, what we studied here, we studied that the Prince Akbar implemented friendly natured policy with the Rajputs. He became successful in that and established cooperative relations with the Rajputs. On the contrary, Aurangzeb couldn't get cooperation from the Rajputs. After the death of Rana Jaswant Singh, Aurangzeb forcefully joined the Marwar region to his empire. This was strongly opposed by Durgadas Rathod. He crowned Jaswant Singh's minor son Ajit Singh as their king. The huge battle took place between Durgadas Rathod and Aurangzeb's army. The Rajput fought bravely in that battle. After that, Aurangzeb sent Prince Akbar to break the conflict of Durgadas Rathod. As Akbar had established very good relationship with the Rajputs, they both joined together or come together and fought against Aurangzeb. They also tried to seek the help from Marathas in Maharashtra against Aurangzeb. In this way, Durgadas Rathod struggled to defend the existence of Marwar. Now the next point is conflict with the Marathas. In Maharashtra, Swaraj was established under the leadership of Shivaji Maharaj. In his effort to establish Swaraj, Shivaji Maharaj had to fight the Mughals too, along with the other enemies. Aurangzeb came down to Deccan after the death of Shivaji Maharaj with the intention of conquering the whole of South India. But the Marathas offered stiff resistance to Aurangzeb and defended their independence. Now, what we studied here? We studied that Swaraj was established in Maharashtra under the leadership of Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj had to fight with the Mughals and other enemies to establish Swaraj. After the death of Shivaji Maharaj, Aurangzeb came to Deccan. It was his desire to conquer all the part of South India, but he didn't get success in that because of the fighting spirit of Maratha Sardars.